Introduce highlight features and quick overview of COEO-Cam Recorder Camcorder 1080p HD Driving Recorder Night Vision, Wide Angle, G-Sensor, Loop Recording, App Wi-Fi Car Camera. Voice Control Camera. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Equipped with Sony sensors to cope with low light conditions, ensuring clear video images even in the dark at night. Even after the lights are turned off, the recorder will monitor your car 24 hours a day. Turn the key to the ACC gear or wire it to the ACC line. Connecting your smartphone to your dashcam has never been easier, with the new G10 app for both Android and iOS. With built-in Wi-Fi, install and connect app, so that you can transfer and view recorded video clips anytime, anywhere. Equipped with the innovative magnetic bracket, the G10 Wi-Fi dash camera is securely mounted while driving and not slides down. It will be more easier to install or remove the dash cam from the magnetic holder. With the smaller size 7x4x2 cm. It is more aesthetically pleasing while also avoid blocking line of sight through both the windscreen and rear view mirror, making it a more safer option whilst driving. When the SD card memory is full, the newly recorded video will automatically overwrite the oldest video. When the built-in G-sensor in the dash camera senses a sudden collision, the video will be locked in an emergency to prevent the video from being overwritten. The Wi-Fi dash camera designed to work in the harsh conditions of summer, the built-in supercapacitor can withstand higher temperatures than other dash cameras using standard battery technology. Even on the hottest of summers, says the G10 will keep recording with no problems. Note, can be at -20 degrees to 60 degrees working in an environment. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.